In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your search engine on your Brave browser from Google to Bing. So if you want to make that switch, it is quite simple. Just go over to this menu icon and then click on it. From this list, choose Settings, and then under Settings option, look for the option called Search Engine. If you click on it, it will show you the current search engine, which is Google. To change this to Bing, go ahead and click on Change, and then you'll see a list of search engines that are available. To switch to Bing, go ahead and select Bing, and then click on Set as Default. Now the change has happened. If we go ahead and open a new browser, now you can see, if we go ahead and search, you can see we are searching from Bing search engine, and you can see the logo of Microsoft here. So that's how you change your search engine from Google to Bing on your Brave browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.